back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. I've seen in the comments that a lot of you are interested in part-time jobs. You've got a full-time job already, and you're trying to make a little bit of extra side money from home in the evenings, nights, weekends. You're just trying to work around that full-time job. If that is you, this might be for you as long as you do not mind customer service. The company Xperity is hiring a help desk representative. Now, this is a part-time and it is remote within the United States. They are a national leader in on-demand care solutions. So this is going to be in the healthcare field. Now, they do offer quite a few benefits. The number one is flexibility. It says they're committed to helping their team members juggle work and family life. So they offer flexible working schedules. They also offer a standard benefit package and team building exercises. But they are looking for someone to work part-time to triage inbound calls from centers inquiring about matters related to different subjects, including submitting cases for reinterpretation, changing or updating the patient demographics, that's name, address, insurance information, all of that good stuff, checking the status of a live study, requesting to speak directly to a radiologist, or submitting a complaint. On top of taking the inbound calls, you'll also be making outbound calls to centers to notify them of positive findings or request additional information on studies. You'll monitor the live queue and make sure that all live cases are being read and contracted with the radiologist in a timely manner. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or equivalent GED. They want someone who has 2 years of some kind of related experience, but it does not have to be in customer service. It can be basic computer skills, clerical work, or a call center environment, customer service. So pretty much 2 years of any kind of related work experience. Now, they say PACS experience is preferred but not required. PACS is probably the computer system that they use. They will fully train you on that. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do always read those. YouTube will send me an email with the comment in it, so I do always read those, and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.